guys, well, we're up in Tampa. Take a look at a few things here up in where I used to live here off of Armenia back about 10-15 years ago. But meanwhile, we're up here taking a look at a few things, and I figured I'd drive around this area. There's a park called Lopez Park that we'll take a look at, and the reason I want to stop in there is because there's a cancer memorial there that I brought my mom there when she came down for some treatment here in Tampa, and so I'll show you that. Will you guys come? American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Right there is the cancer memorial right there, cancer survivor place. So we're gonna go in there. It's called, I think it's still Lopez Park. Yeah, so Al Lopez is a baseball player. Take a look at all that. This is Al Lopez Park, and I think it looked like that there's a Zach Bryan concert going on tonight, so this might end up getting kind of filled up. But we're only gonna be here for Al Lopez Park. We're only gonna be here for a little while. Trails and see if they got some hiking trails. Some of the water we can check out. Man, there's that stinking noise again. I thought I got it fixed. Chill in the AC for a minute, cool down, it's been hot. So All Trails is a great spot to figure out areas to go hiking, just to let you know. So, it shows a little bit here. Alright, so actually right where we passed it, take us around, let me see. 1.1 mile, 19 minutes, takes us around the pond area. Dogs on a leash, perfect. So that's where we're going to be. So we're at Lopez Park, and there's a spot we can hike. Go for a hike? Go for a walk? He's a good boy. Put you on a leash because I know what you're going to do. You're going to sniff everything. Oh, look at it. It's all swampy wetness. What? Let's do it. Swampy wet still here in Tampa. Come here, dude. Let's check out this. Come on. Wildlife right now. Squirrel, some birds, ibises. That goes on the water. It's just like a stick. south of that. Actually, just downpoured here a little bit ago, so it's extra hot and it's extra wet. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Why wouldn't there be any garbage in the water? Back to somewhere. All right, come on. Come on. Alright, cool. We'll head back. Come on. Come on. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to head back. Duke's getting a little hot. And it's hot up still. But meanwhile, I am going to let you drive closer. And we're going to head over to the Cancer Memorial. Check that out real quick. And then we'll go from there. Fortunately, sometimes I have to call it quits. Because I don't want to overstress my doggy dog. So we'll head back to the van and we'll cool down real quick. We'll drive a little closer to the spot I want to go to, and I think it's a little bit more shady over there, so might be pretty good. Alright, so it's still a little ways down that way. I don't think Duke's going to be able to make it. So what we'll do is here's a dog park, which is a huge dog park. I'm not going to there because it's probably so yeah, look how wet it is back there. But what we'll do is we'll drive by the Cancer Monument here on the way out, which we'll head out right now. How things to do. Good place for a picnic. As long as it's not 1,000 degrees out. What you think, dude? Cooling down a little bit, bud? Cooling down. It's like, are you kidding me right now? Like that looped all the way around, so where we went we were looped up back over here, so maybe we'll check that out in the future, but I just wanted to show you guys the rest of the park that we can drive to. You can tell how soaking wet this freaking land is, places. Those guys that we walked past made it. Dude, you see that? Can't overheat them. there's a little walking trail you can do to go around the whole thing. So, pretty cool now. Anyways, that's going to conclude this park here in Tampa, right across from the Buck Stadium near the Yankees spring training and the Tampa Yankees. Anyways, we are going to head out of here and we're going to go right, and then we'll go right at MLK, and then we'll go right on Dale Mabry to show you the memorial that I was telling you about. It'd be impossible to get there right now, so just because it's hot out and I got my dookie.